Hey friends, let's do this drag and drop to make sure you know about the precipitation and temperature of the 9 different terrestrial biomes. That's all there is. That's all you need to know about a terrestrial biome is its temperature and precipitation. And just based on that, I can interpret those climate diagrams, those climatograms, and realize like what biome am I in, and what does that tell me about the dominant plant and animal species there. So this is kind of a funky little graph, and I really like it. So I can see that over here it's hotter, and over here it's rainier. Okay, so let's do the easy ones first. And I even kept these the boxes about the same size, so that'll help you make sure that you did it right. So what's the hottest, wettest? That's a tropical rainforest. So let's move this guy to here. What's the hottest, driest down here? What's gonna be the hottest and driest? The desert. So I'll move. There's a bunch of different names for it, but we'll call it the desert. A lot of these have multiple names. I'm keeping it at what College Board calls it. Which of these is going to be the coldest? The coldest one, that's going to be the tundra. And also, would you look how dry the tundra is too? So not only is it the coldest, it has a growing season of like 6 months. What's a growing season? Easy. The number of months above 0 degrees Fahrenheit, Celsius. The number of months above freezing. That's it. That's all a growing season is. So, cool. We got those ones. Well, we read about when we did. Which one of these is going to be rainy, but not so hot? You see, it's not way over here. Which of these is going to be rainy? That's going to be the temperate rainforest. Very, very wet, but not so hot. It's kind of temperate. The golden spruce grows there. Which one of these is most similar to the tundra? Not quite as cold, not quite as dry. The taiga. This has a couple different names, but boreal forest, we're calling it the taiga. So now these are the ones that are kind of easiest to confuse for all students. So the savanna is going to be hot, not so dry. Sorry, hot and not so wet. The savanna is hot and dry. I want you to think Lion King when you think savanna. Then the temperate seasonal forest is going to be smack dab right in the middle here. This is when leaves change in autumns and all the people go out and take pictures. That's a temperate seasonal forest. That's like maple woods and trees, and the leaves are changing colors. That's temperate seasonal because it has seasons. It's the season. It's pumpkin season, seasonal forest. The last two, shrubland. This is the one that has a whole bunch of different nicknames. This is wine country. Cold, wet winters, hot, dry summers. That's perfect for growing wine, whether you're in Australia, South America, or the Mediterranean. Finally, temperate grassland. This sounds nice. Ooh, it's temperate and it's grassland. It's actually quite cold and very, very dry. There are some, as you can see on my precipitation, there are some temperate grasslands that are actually drier than some deserts. So this is like the Mongolian country. So I'm thinking like Mulan. Boy, I'm making a lot of Disney references. I'm thinking Mulan. I'm thinking the Mongols. Very, very dry. Very, very cold. That's a temperate grassland. So I hope this helped. And if you study this guy and study your climate diagrams, you'll be able to ace those questions on the exam. I'll see you guys later. Bye.